Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make starry blossom. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need 5 sheets of your favorite colored paper, a good pair of scissors, and some reliable craft glue. Don't forget a string of about 20 small LED lights to give it that magical glow, plus a sprinkle of fine glitter for extra sparkle. A ruler and pencil will help ensure all your cuts are perfectly precise for a beautiful result. Now, let's start forming our blossom petals. Take each of your 5 sheets of colored paper and fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold it. This crease will guide your next step. Carefully cut each sheet into 4 equal strips, making each strip approximately 2 inches wide. With your scissors, gently round the ends of each strip to create a soft, petal-like shape. You should have about 20 petals in total. With your petals ready, it's time to assemble the core of our starry blossom. Take 5 of your beautifully shaped petals and arrange them in a circular pattern on your workspace. Make sure they overlap slightly at their centers. Apply a small dot of craft glue to secure these overlapping points, holding them together firmly. Repeat this step 3 more times, so you have a total of 4 individual blossom layers, each ready for the next magical touch. For the final, enchanting steps, let's illuminate our starry blossom. Carefully poke a small hole through the very center of each of your 4 blossom layers. Now, take your string of 20 LED lights and thread 1 light through each hole, securing it gently from behind. Finally, apply a very thin layer of craft glue to the tips of your petals and generously sprinkle them with fine glitter. Allow it to dry completely for a dazzling, starry effect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.